Hi guys, so today I'm going to put together a wedding memory box because I have a few things that I've saved from our wedding that I would like to just consolidate into one memory keepsake box and pass it on to any daughters if I ever have any, or just even keep it for myself because I think it would be a great way to organize my wedding memorabilia that has been left over. So this is the box I will be using. Somebody had given this to me on like the bachelorette night and it was full to the brim of stuff. It was really overflowing. It was such a beautiful gift and I've kept the box because it's so pretty. So I'm hoping all of my wedding stuff that I'm trying to keep, which is all this stuff right here, I will be able to fit in here. So it's gonna be kind of like putting a puzzle together. So let's see if we can fit all of this in there. So I found some fabric around the house and I just lay that on the bottom. You don't have to put anything underneath, or you can if you have some pretty fabric or tulle or tissue paper, or just don't put anything at all if there's not enough space. So if I find that I can't fit everything in here because of this, then I might just take it out. But for now, I think it looks kind of pretty and very bridal, if you will. So first things first, I think I could fit some flat things on the bottom. So for that, here we have our save the date from our wedding day, wedding invitation, some of the bridal shower games, and then our thank you cards. For all of my wedding stationery, I used Wedding Paper Divas because you can personalize it. I was obsessed with the website at the time, and so all of my wedding stationery was from Wedding Paper Divas, including our beautiful thank you card, which was from our first dance. So it's so pretty. So let's see if I can fit all this flat stuff in there first. Like that. So that's perfect. And then I found a extra picture I had of myself and my parents on before the ceremony, and also a picture of the two of us right after the ceremony when we went to take pictures. So I'm going to put these in there too. These two fans, my sister made these for my bridal shower, and it was just, since the bridal shower was outdoors, she made these for everybody who attended. And it just says, thank you for sharing my special day, and guests were able to fan themselves with it because it was an outdoor bridal shower. So for some reason, I can't find mine, but I found my mom's and my sister's. So we'll put those in there too. And then I saved my Erin Condren wedding planner, which I was obsessed with the entire year that I was engaged. This was a gift because the person who gave it to me knows and shares my obsession with planners. So this is just filled with all the planning details every step of the way. So I kept it. I think it would be a great memory to keep in my memory box. So I'm going to do that too. So far, it's looking like it's pretty spacious. Yeah, here. So our RSVPs can fit over here. I kept them because, I don't know, I had them, and then some people wrote some nice notes on the back side, so I just decided not to throw them away. Okay. So now we can fit some things over here. So what I have is the party favor from our little engagement gathering we had, and it's literally a mason shot glass that I found on Amazon, and then I ordered these little tags from Etsy, and it turned out so cute. So we made these at home, and they're just filled with gold Hershey's Kisses, and I was so happy with the way they turned out. I still love them even 2 years later. So we'll put that in there. We also made the wedding favors ourselves just because my mom is really handy with favors and she's really good at them. So we made these at home also. We'll keep these two. We'll keep a pair in here like this. Maybe I should wrap these in tissue paper. So that they don't hit each other. I have some tissue paper I'll stuff in between them. So now I think I'll put this plate in there. My mom made this for me. I don't even know how she did it. I think she used Mod Podge to put a tissue paper picture of me on the plate, and then at the bridal shower she had everybody sign on the outside. So we'll keep this in here too. I will probably wrap this in tissue paper too. So I wrapped it in tissue paper and then I put it upside down because it's otherwise concave and I don't want it to break. So that's how that looks. Now I'm thinking I can put the ring pillow, which I've also saved in this little box. Maybe that'll fit nicely over the top of that. Okay. And now I could try to fit all the cards we got all year in this little area right here. So we'll see how that works. So this is what the finished product looks like. I ended up having to separate the cards into small, medium, and large so that I could fit them all together accordingly, like the large ones here, medium ones here, and then the smaller ones were able to fit here. So this worked out perfectly. And I put this one on top because it says love is in the air. And I'm so happy with the way it turned out, you guys. And the box closes perfectly. I might just end up tying a ribbon around it to tie it all together and just putting it somewhere in the closet and leaving it there. And who knows when we'll open it next time. You can look online and try to get creative. Sometimes people add more things. They might add, the song lyrics to their first dance. I also have a USB with all our wedding photos on it. I'm going to toss that in there too, just so it's all in one place. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun recording it for you guys, and hope to see you in the next one. Bye!